In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create accounts for your students. So if you haven't already, please make sure you watch the Add Sections and Settings video where I showed you how to set up sections like this. But once my settings are already set up, if I want to create accounts for my students, I'll go to Teacher, Manage Rosters, and then click on Bulk Add Students. I'm going to then go over to this Excel sheet where I have my students' usernames, how I want them. Email addresses are completely optional. And I'm just going to hit Control C and Control V to paste them in. I'm going to put these students in my first period class and I'm going to set a password. So this password will be for all of your students and I'll show you how they can change that later. So I'm just going to create a simple password, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and click on Create Accounts. It may take a few minutes as we create accounts for your students. You can do up to 50 in a section at a time. Alright? As I see in those background, the accounts have been created, and now I want to put some more students in my second period. So I'm going to paste them in again from Excel. This time I want to put them in my second period. I could change this password for these students if I want to, but I'm just going to leave it the same, and then click on Create Accounts. Alright, after that finishes, I'll close this and verify that I now have 11 students in my class and they're sorted into the correct sections. Alright, so now we want to go ahead and show you that these students can now log in. So if I go ahead and go to Positive Physics, I'm going to click on Log In. So again, your students now, they don't need to create an account, so tell them to make sure they just go straight to log in. They'll type in the username. They'll type in that password, so that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The classroom code, you created that when you first created a teacher account, and then they can just click login, and they'll be in. Alright, I would highly recommend, so that other students can't log in, that you instruct your students to click on their username, click on change password, and type in a new password, so only they can access it.